have a look at this little bay. It appears that the local native council has provided a dock to come ashore and use the lookout atop the rock. They even placed a picnic table up there. We will go through the hole in the wall first and come back after to explore this location.
Hole in the wall is a ripper of a natural wonder tucked away on Georgian Bay. This narrow channel, flanked by towering rocky cliffs, is a true Georgian Bay bucket list item. Imagine cruising through this gap in the rock face, surrounded by stunning scenery. It's like something out of a Crocodile Dundee movie, only without the crocs. This natural masterpiece is a must-see for anyone keen on exploring the great outdoors.
So now that we got the silliness of playing with AI out of the way, imagine our surprise when we came around the corner and saw, what's this? A sandy beach. It's amazing how everything is surrounded by rock, then all of a sudden, bop, a sandy beach. But we've seen this before in other parts of Georgian Bay. We did read that this was a popular hangout and swimming spot for local cottagers, and they also go and dive off the cliffs. I think we have some footage of that coming up. We decided to pull in at the little beach and fly the drone and get just a little bit different perspective of the area. As I mentioned before, this is a popular swimming and cliff diving spot, so if you plan on visiting, just be careful, there could be people in the water. I decided to fly the drone here, and as you can see, it was a little bit challenging. It kept getting pushed down by the wind. Even though the water looks nice and calm, it was a bit of a wind tunnel in there. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the future videos.